Hello, I'm Samuel and I'm going to present you the demo day which took place on my farm 2 weeks ago on the topics work serenely with ships. This was organized by different partners for students and farmers around different workshops. 1 year and a half after my settle down, I wanted to present materials, software and techniques to facilitate my daily work on the farm. Here are the different workshops we presented. First one was the presentation of the farm to explain the context. The second workshop was a ship material presentation to avoid physical pains such as contention corridor and feeding materials. The third workshop was the presentation of a ship management software to spare time and be more efficient in my cattle management. The fourth workshop was a presentation of a technical study on how to convert my cattle into organic to gain in food autonomy and for personal choice. The fifth workshop was the presentation of the replacement service to have the possibility to be replaced when you have to go to meeting or to Zagreb. And the last workshop was a special one with all the information to settle down in good conditions in sheep production. People seemed satisfied about this demo day. It created a lot of exchange between participants, but we have to improve the circulation of the groups on the different workshops.